AutoCAD software. First you go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. And here you type the command limits. So here specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210 and say zoom all. Now we'll go for a line command. Select any arbitrary point on the left side of the screen and click on the first button of the mouse and take some distance, and again click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse in the upward direction, and again you click on the first button of the mouse. Now we want to draw A4 size sheet which is 297 by 210. So go to offset, take the distance as 297 and select the vertical line and offset to the left side, and again take offset, take the distance as 210 and then select horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom extents and zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this vertical line and this horizontal line, this vertical line and this horizontal line, and this horizontal line and this vertical line. Then go to zoom window, you select this and go to D-text. Then click on the specify start point of text, select some point and click on the first button of the mouse and give the height as 4 and rotation angle as 0 and type the problem number 102. So here a pentagonal lamina of sides 25 mm is having a side on both HP and VP. First, the surface of the lamina is inclined at an angle of 60 degree with HP. Draw the top and front views of the lamina. Then you go to zoom previous, and then go to zoom window, select this entire drawing. Now we go for a layer. So click on new layer, type XY and press enter key and go to new, type views and enter. So go to layer 0, the line weight, set the default line weight as 0.05 and say OK. Then for layer XY, set the line weight as 0.13 and say OK. For view, set the default line weight as 0.5 and say OK, and then close this layer command. Now we will go for the line command. Specify first point, select some point and drag it, and then again take some distance and click on the first button of the mouse. And then go to polygon. Since you need to write pentagon, I will take 5. Then you take the edge option, select some point and you take the vertical height of 25 mm and type 25. Then go to move, switch off this and place it wherever you want. And then go to again ortho mode on, take line INT of this and take perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, take INT of this and take perpendicular to this XY line. And go to line, take intersection point of this and take perpendicular to this, and then go to fillet between this line and this line, and similarly from this line and this line. Then go to move, select this and move it to the top. Then go to break this line, take F for the first point, take intersection point of this and say at the rate and press enter key. Then select this line and this line. Go to CH, change command, go to layer, select this and click on views and switch on the line weight display. Then go to copy, select the front view, copy this to the next position at some distance. You just click on the first button of the mouse. Then go to rotate, select this and take end point of this rotation angle as 60 degrees. Then go to line, take endpoint of this and draw a vertical line. Take line intersection point of this to perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line, take intersection of this and take perpendicular to this line, and go to fillet. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly, line, take end point of this and draw a vertical line. Take intersection point of this and take perpendicular to this. Similarly, line, take intersection point of this to perpendicular to this, and then go to fillet between this line and this line. Go to line, take end point of this and draw a vertical line, and take line intersection of this and take perpendicular to this line, and go to fillet between this line and this line. Then go to line, take intersection of this, take int of this, then intersection of this, and take int of this, and take intersection of this. Now we'll go for break command. Select this line, first point, take intersection of this, and again at the rate. Again go to break, first point, you take intersection of this and say at the rate. Then go to break, select this line, take first point, intersection of this, and at the rate. Now you select all these 5 lines and go to layer, make this layer and change this layer to views. Then go to group, enter, select this entire pentagon in the top face, top view, and then say enter. And then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line. Similarly, intersection of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to copy, select this, copy to the next position, and then go to rotate, select this, rotation by -90. Then go to move, select this, take intersection point of this to perpendicular to this line. Then go to erase, then go to line, take intersection point of this to intersection point of this, and then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line. Similarly, line, take intersection of this and draw a horizontal line, and take intersection of this to perpendicular to this. And similarly, take int of this, specify first point, int of this, and take perpendicular to this, and then go to fillet between these two. Similarly, go to line, take intersection of this, and again draw a line from intersection of this and perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this line, and go to line, take intersection of this and intersection of this and intersection of this, and then intersection of this, and then int of this. Then go to select this line, this line, this line, and this line, and go to layer, convert this into views. Similarly, you select this line, and this line, go to layer, make this as XY line. Then go to break from here till here. Then go to DDIM, select modify, then go to primary units, make this as 0, then go to text height is 4, aligned above, and this dimension is 3. Then go to symbols, arrow size is 4, and then go to lines, offset from origin is 3. Then OK and say close. Then dim vertical, select this and give, and then dim angular, select between this line and this line, you're going to get 60 degrees. For dtext, so here mark this as capital X, and you mark this as capital Y, this as capital VP, and this as capital HP, and here you write it as small a, B, C, D, E, and here A dash, here it is B dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash, and here it is E dash. Then go to zoom window, bring it near to the screen, go to move, switch off the ortho mode, go take B and keep it, then go to C and keep it, then go to D and keep it, then go to E and similarly A. Now you go for X, you go for VP and you go for HP and you set the value for Y. Similarly A dash, and this is B dash, and here it is C dash, and here it is D dash, and here it is E dash. Then go to copy, select A dash, and here it is E dash, here it is B dash, here it is D dash, here it is C dash, here it is A, and here it is A. Then come down to B, here it is B, and here also it is B. Then go to C, and C here. Similarly it is D here and D here. Similarly it is E and then E here. Similarly go to D texture, here it is A dash, here it is B dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash, and here it is E dash. Then go to move, select A dash, E dash, D dash, C dash, and B dash. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing using AutoCAD software. And go to save, go to appropriate drive, then go to problem number P102 and save it. And finally you